In this video, I replaced the outer taillight assembly on a 2008 Toyota Camry Hybrid. But I do have one hiccup that makes it take longer than it should. So my neighbor says his daughter's car needs a taillight replaced. Somebody hit her. They just need it functional. I haven't seen it yet, but let's see how bad it is. Yeah, somebody got her pretty good, but that isn't that bad at all. So I'm gonna see if I can find one locally or quickly, and that shouldn't be hard to replace. I went online and ordered a light, and while I was working on another project, it showed up. So here it is. I popped the trunk, and I imagine, yeah, there's a spot to access it right there. And there's this cover, and I'm just getting my bearings. Yeah, I may have to take off a bit more. So this hook right here, I'm gonna take it off with a Phillips head to see if that gives me a little more access. And it does. And I don't think I'll need more access than that, because there is a nut here, and nut here that is attached to these studs. And I think that's all I need to do to take it out. I don't know if the sun is gonna make it hard to see, but I'm gonna take off this one first, since it's the hardest to access. So that's one nut. And I'm gonna get on this one with a deep socket 10mm. Now the trick here for me, I don't know about you, would be to not drop it. All right, got it. And this one up here, I should be able to just pull this plastic off to get to it. Yeah, so there is the last one. There's only one connector, and once you press down on this little tab, it releases pretty easily. And at this point, I thought I was home free and that I could pull the light out, but I wasn't. There was still a clip holding it to the bumper. So what I'm gonna try to do is release it with a screwdriver. So what I did was I pushed this in till that came out and it released it. And I was able to pull it in and pull it out. And this is when I realized I had the wrong taillight. One thing looks a little different. Well, this one is not going to work, so I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board, because this only has one connection, or this one has two. This was a hybrid Camry. They had a different taillight than the non-hybrid. When you filter by year, make, and model on a lot of sites, they do not differentiate between the two when it comes to the taillight. But thankfully, a lot of others do. Words I made sure showed up were LED and hybrid. Also, even if the site doesn't differentiate, if they have a picture and it shows the proper connections, you're probably good. So I ordered the right one, and on a rainy day, I finally installed it. The only thing that wasn't straightforward is this clip that attaches to the bumper. It goes right here, and I put it on the bumper before I tried to install the light. You can put it on directly by clipping it in, or you can slide it in. I slid it from right to left to the position you see here. And when installing the light, I just made sure that it would clip into this slot right here. And other than aligning up these studs with these holes, I had to line up this slot with this knob right here, and then the rest was straightforward. And once everything was back together, we tested it. That worked. Signal works.
Signal works?
Yep. And turn the headlights on. They work. If you're into watching people work on cars on the internet, check out my channel, because I'm always working on something.